Is your brand a dominant disruptor, or are you vulnerable to being defeated because you're being disrupted? Disruption happens in the world of branding across all sectors, B2B and B2C. So standing still is not an option, because a business that doesn't innovate and change by being a disruptor is a business that's going to ultimately die. In an array of branding terms, disruptive branding stands separately. While terms such as brand purpose, brand values, brand positioning, brand identity occupy a definitive space in the branding realm and relate to all the different ways companies use branding to build, promote, and sell their products and services, brand disruption is different. Brand disruption isn't a practice businesses engage in after the company or product is born. Brand disruption gives birth to the company, product, or service. So when you look at the cycle of disruption, you need to rethink, reimagine, reinvent, so you can disrupt the market and build your highly disruptive brand. You see, business is built around long-standing beliefs on how to make money. In a disruptive age, established business models become obsolete because brand disruption breaks existing patterns in the market. Brand disruption forces business to look at profitability from an entirely different perspective. It challenges our preconceived notions about how we approach business and brand building. Remember, branding is not marketing or design, but the bedrock foundation underpinning your whole business. So getting your brand strategy right as a disruptor is critical to your success. Disruptive brands are often outsiders who see industry rules as fluid, so they devise better ways to conduct business and make money. Disruptive brands question our lifestyle choices. They make us see the world from a different point of view, instill new behavior, and show us the positive effects of that new behavior. So 3 key factors you need to integrate into your brand strategy so you can build a successful disruptor brand are as follows. Firstly, brand disruption is rooted in creativity and innovation. Creativity enables brands to recognize opportunities and do things differently. Innovation helps create a new market that eventually transforms the existing market. Brand disruption cannot be achieved without creativity and innovation. So you need to build a strong culture of constant innovation and creativity in your business to build and leverage a successful disruptor brand. Secondly, brand disruption happens in the present, but is focused on the future. For disruption to happen, brands need to become the beacons of a brighter future. But disruption also can't be orchestrated without a deep understanding of the present. In that regard, brand disruption transforms the present by changing the current way of doing things and showing us what could be. So your strategy needs to be future focused while also disrupting the present. Thirdly, brand disruption embraces unusual decisions. Disruptive brands are initially often seen as crazy inventors, but all these innovators are trying to cater to the needs of their ideal audience. They're very customer-centric. Brand disruption is characterized by seemingly irrational behavior that nevertheless responds to real but hidden customer needs. By building your disruptor brand, you need to eliminate long-standing obstacles or frictions in your sector so you can provide a solution of higher perceived value that enhances your customers' lives. To discover more about how to build your powerful, highly visible and profitable disruptor brand, click the link for more details and get your free download worksheet to help you build your highly visible disruptor brand.